Hi all, welcome to IAS IPS in second series. Today we will solve a question from Indian polity based on the selection and appointment of Prime Minister of India. And the question is, which among the following statements is or are correct? Statement number 1, the constitution has specific procedure for the selection and appointment of Prime Minister. Statement number 2, the President may first appoint him the Prime Minister and then ask to prove the majority in the Lok Sabha within 6 months. Select the correct answers using the codes. See, this is regarding selection and appointment of Prime Minister. And please note that our constitution has no specific procedure. No specific procedure for the selection and appointment of Prime Minister. Okay, that means the selection and regarding the selection and appointment of Prime Minister, there is no clear-cut procedure mentioned in our constitution. But as a convention, President appoints the leader of majority party. That is usually as a convention, the President of India appoints the leader of majority party as Prime Minister. See, in case not party has a clear majority, then President usually appoints the leader of largest party in coalition. Okay, as the Prime Minister. And then ask him to prove the majority in the Lok Sabha within a reasonable period of time. Within a reasonable period, the concerned person has to prove the majority in the Lok Sabha. Okay, and this time limit is given by the President of India, and this time period is not mentioned under our constitution. Okay, now let's move on to the question. The constitution has specific procedure for the selection and appointment of PM. See, our constitution does not have any clear-cut procedure for the selection and appointment of the Prime Minister. Fine. Move on to statement number 2. The President may first appoint him the Prime Minister and then ask to prove the majority in the Lok Sabha within 6 months. See, time period is also not mentioned under our constitution. Usually the President gives a reasonable period of time. It is up to the wish of the President of India, and the 6 months is a wrong statement. That is, the time period in the statement is a wrong one. So both the statements are wrong here. So our answer becomes option D, that is neither one nor two. Thank you.